Yes, before tayo mag-start
Yours?
training natin, Direk.
Yeah, so basically, we're just happy that you're here. We're happy that you're here. We're hoping na first lang to sa maraming media conferences natin, then marami pang books ang university series. Of course, with the rain in España, as you can see, we're hoping na ito yung, hoping po na kami yung next iconic youth-oriented rom-com ng Gen Z. Kumbaga, kung yung 90s may TGIS, sana yung university series or rain in España yung para sa Generation Z. And Viva is hoping also that we are going to launch these cast members to be the next leading man and leading lady, hindi lang sa streaming platform, kundi sa mga movies and TV. And personally, of course, ang hope ko for this project is kiligin yung mga tao kay Lucal or Luna and Calix, portrayed beautifully by Marco Gallo and Evan Peralejo. If they become the next big thing with your help, the next big love thing with your help and the support of the people, I will be very proud. So yun lang. So I just hope that we can answer your questions po nang hindi kami sabaw, and we hope that you will help us also promote the show. Thank you.
Yun, very well said.
Direct Ray, my first question is for you. Since we had the cast reveal in Laredo a few months ago, I've been reading the comments of netizens, and most of those who have read the original novel have apprehensions as to what you did with the TV version. So they're afraid that you might have made a lot of changes. So which we can explain them kasi they've seen other adaptations before na maraming binago. So ano ang mga binago niyo dito kumpara dun sa original novel?
Okay. Yeah, so nabasa ko po yung mga comments ng netizens, and like them, I'm also a fan of The Rain in España. So siguro ang pinakaibahan ng adaptation namin is yung writer, yung author, si Kwai. She is also a creative consultant of the show. So all, like from the casting, to script feedback, to even the feedback of yung edited pilot or episodes, andun siya to give her comments. So in other words, we are staying true to the material. Wala kami masyadong binago. Of course, there's limitations sa visual format kasi syempre that episode series kami, syempre pag book po Sir Mario, di ba, nababasa mo yung thoughts ng mga bida, mahaba siya kasi literary form nga siya. So may limitation kami based on that lang na kailangan ding baguhin visually, but in terms of yung spirit, yung core, ng essence ng story at ng characters, I'm hoping na kung anong nabasa ng mga fans sa book, yun din yung mapapanood nila sa series namin.
He's alluded. Have you seen the completed show? And what's your comment? Are you happy with the way it was transformed as a TV show?
Napanood ko lang po until episode 8 so far.
Marami na yun.
So far, it's so good naman po. Like, I really love the way they portray the characters. And I'm so honored na they gave me a chance to give my comments then and feedback para mas maging better pa yung kalabasan na episode. And mas nakabantay ako sa kung ano yung dapat i-maintain. Kasi ito yung mahalaga sa book, ganyan. So, yun po, thankful po talaga ako na this The Rain in España is becoming a TV show.
So happy ka naman, in other words.
Yes.
Hey, Marco and Evan. Evan, first of all, congratulations for your good performance in Nanahimik ang Gabi na number 1 in the series.
Thanks, Mario.
And now, you have the show to help push your career. So, given the two of you were in PBB before, you and Marco?
Yes.
Yes. But this is just the first time that you're working in a story like this, right? Have you haven't appeared in a movie or any other movie show before?
Wala pa po.
So how is it working with each other aside from the time that you spent with PBB before?
Si Marco po yun. So,
I mean, I think I can speak for both of us, correct? We're on the same page now. I think working with her was probably the best work I've ever done. It didn't even feel like work, really. she was just, like she said earlier, the happy pill. I was going to work with this lightness inside, and I loved the professionalism because we were really rehearsing. We really wanted to give the best that we could. We weren't just playing around on set, and I mean, you know, the rest, right? We really worked hard for it, and I'm really, really happy that I got to work with her.
Same po talaga. Siguro po kung naisip ko nga po ngayon kung iba po yung kapartner ko, siguro may kulang. So siya kasi as in talagang inaalagaan niya rin po kasi talaga ako tsaka yung show. So I'm really happy to work with Marlo.
So, I hope like this guys on the screen para matulungan na talaga ang chemistry when viewers start watching it on Vigo. So, I would like to ask the rest of the cast kung ano-ano ang respective roles ninyo sa movie. Let's start with Bea. Bea, ikaw na yung pinakakilala ninyo. So, ano ang role mo and how did your own story go in the series?
Good evening, Tito Mario. Sa University Series, ako po dito si Via. Kami po kasi magbabarkada. Si Heaven, si Aubrey Nicole, and Krisha, pati si Gab. And then, ako po yung parang mas motherly, parang mas tita sa aming lahat. Ganon na. Ako yung mga nagpapa-away habang gumigimik, ganyan. Pero kapag po, dito kasi hindi pa masyadong ma-establish, but really, yung parang mas deeper level kapag mas nakilala si Via is she's very responsible, she's selfless, and she's very caring. Hindi lang sa mga kaibigan niya, kundi pati sa pamilya niya.
Gab.
Thank you po.
Hello dito. Ako naman po dito si Sebi. Ano po, best friend ko dito sila. Pero si Luna kami yung nagbabardagulan dito. And of course, team captain din po ako dito ng basketball team and engineer. So doon po and meron din po akong gusto kay Luna. So doon po mag-enable.
So parang triangle na yung Mark. Love triangle na rin naman.
Hindi naman po.
So, after going sa cleaning, wala akong nagpapakausap ka naman dito.
Yeah, yun po yung pinag-usapan po ng management. For the whole, mahaba po kasi ito. So it's gonna be a long, magiging whole summer.
Oh, next please.
Hello po, I'm Mommy Karaan, and I'm playing the role of Samantha Marine Vera. The character ko po, she's very sweet, she's very kind, generous po siya pagdating sa mga kaibigan niya. She likes to party and hang out with her friends kasi dun siya masaya and para sa kanya free siya pagdating dun. So, mas makikilala niyo pa po yung character ni Sam sa mga susunod na books and syempre sa mismong book nila. Thank you!
Hello po. Ako po si Nicole Gallo and I played the role of Kara as you saw a while ago. Bale, magpinsan po kami, mag-best friend, lahat na as I said sa other interviews, medyo minsan katulong, minsan tagapuhat, tagapunas, lahat na lang. Kumbaga, ganun kami ka-close ni Luna. And of course, barkada namin yung isa't isa and we spend a lot of time together and we go through so many challenges together. So I feel like that's something we're all excited for you guys to see for this book and for the next following books. So, ayun po. Thank you.
Hi po, ako po si Krisha. I'm playing the role of Yana sa University Series. And si Yana po sa magbabarkada, siya po yung pinaka-wild, pinaka-adventurous, pinaka-palaban. So, ang best friend ko po dito si Sam. And then, sa next book, makikilala niyo po yung love interest ko dito. I mean, Diana, si Hero po, makikilala niyo po siya sa next book.
Let's go to Gallo Cross and Andre.
Yes, hello po. I play Leo Perez. Isa siya sa friends nila, Calix, Amethyst, and Adonis. And I think the purpose of our roles is to help push the narrative of Luna and Calix becoming a thing. So we're makulit, but we're also very supportive. We're, in the Rex words, the yin and yang of Calix's life. We're there in his highs, but we're also there in his lows. So expect to see that. That's pretty good.
Hi, I'm Andre po and I'll be playing as Adonis. Tapos, bale, kami po yung barkada ni Alex, ni Leo, and ni Idris. So, kami yung, technically kami nagpo-push kay Luna pati kay Alex. Inukulit namin siya. So, makarot kami dito kay Alex and Luna. Ayun.
Hello po, ako po si Gabby Badilla. I'm a actress. Si Amethyst naman, like we mentioned, kabarkada naman siya ni Alex. Pero sila particularly close sila because their families are close. So it's a very intertwined relationship. Medyo complicated siya. And because of that, magiging cause of a problem siya sa relationship ni Alex and Luna. But hindi ko naman may relation naman siya sa group. But yun, ako po yung object of irritation ni Luna.
Since the show is about friendship, naging friends ba kayo talaga while shooting the series? Evan yung answer.
Yes, actually, so nag-workshop kami, ano muna, ano lang, bait-bait lang, ganyan. And then before kami first day ng taping namin, nag-party kami. Kasi nga, mga party people ng mga characters namin. And so we got to bond. And then pagdating ng mga taping days namin, pa-deeper yung relationships namin sa isa't isa. So actually, sobrang saya nitong cast mates namin, like kaming lahat. Kasi never kami nagkaroon ng away, lahat kami suporta sa isa't isa. And pag may napapagod na isa, tulungan lang. So, ayun po.
So, hindi na kayo lock ng no more locking.
No more po.
Okay. So, I think there is a plan to do all the series. I understand this is a series of several novels. So, anong balak kayo? Sino yung susunod na gagawin character?
Sa book 2 po, ang magiging bida ay si Yana, si Krisha Biahe. So, yung love story naman niya yung malalaman ng mga tao.
Okay, good luck sa inyo. Sana mag-break ng mataas para masundan natin ng season 2.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I saw you smiling while Evan and Marco were discussing their roles. Did they seem like a perfect match?
Yes po. Siyempre, tinutugso ko na sila before the start of the shoot. Kasi before, nung in-announce kasi din sila ng cast, lumalabas yung mga PVP video clips nila nung teenager pa sila. Si Marco pala iniyakan si Heaven. Tapos may halikang naganap. First kiss. So ayun, so nung first few days, sobrang tuksuhan silang dalawa. Sobrang tinutugso namin sila sa isa't isa. Pero, alam mo yung Sir Mario, hindi ko after the shoot, natapos kasi kami ng Feb. Tapos ngayon napapansin ko sa social media.
Yes.
May something. Hindi ko alam. Sagutin nyo nga.
Si Marco muna, gusto ko natin. What's that something, Marco? Go ahead.
I mean, of course, if people watch PBB, like our batch, I did like her at that time, and we lost track of each other. And I just didn't, I mean, I did recognize her at the same time, but it was like a matured version of her. And while working, I just saw different sides of her that I never knew about. And I liked it. I did. And while working with her, I saw how supportive she was, which is to me is the most important thing. I don't like having drama on set. I don't like that stuff. And just the fact that she gives me what I need. It's like the only thing I can do is just make her happy on set as well. Yeah, so I did enjoy my time with her. I did.
Evan, what do you give Mark? I guess the motivation.
Yes, motivation. Tsaka kasi si Marco, pag hindi niya pa siya kilala, sobrang serious niya as a person. Yun yung aura na binibigay niya. Pero once na makuha man na yung kiliti niya, yung humor niya, so may mga times na nasa set tayo direct. Tapos hindi kami makatake kasi tawa kami ng tawa sa isa't isa. Yung mga inside jokes lang naman. And yun, basically, lakas, tawa, para naman masaya sa set.
So, Director, it's like, well, parang mini-mirror yung buhay nila dati, no? Then and now.
Yes, yes. Perfect match po, kung yun yung tanong.
Okay. So, Heaven, do you feel like, and Marco, do you feel like pasan nyo sa balikat itong ating series? Sa bigat nito, ano?
Actually, for me, hindi naman po. Siguro nga yung book pa yung pumasan sa akin. Kasi parang, ano niyo po yun, kilala na po yung book before pa kami pumasok dun sa The Rain in España. And so, hindi naman po pasan kasi sobrang open naman po ng communication between the director and si Kwai. And nakikinig lang naman po kami. Yun yung personally.
I mean, I definitely do not think that because I'm not that good as of an actor, you know, and I had to follow so many times. Derek had so much patience with me. She had so much patience with me, and I think the only fact that helped us was the fact that we knew each other and that chemistry that is undeniable.
That's right.
You know, and I love my time with the boys. Really, whatever you see on screen. It was just real. I didn't know any of them before this shoot, and I just loved working with them. I loved working with every single one of them. They're beautiful people, each single one of them, and I think that all of these factors help to just pull out whatever why some of this wrote on this book.
It's a good cast, huh? My last question for Bea. Yes. I heard feedback from the production your character is so much like you in real life. Paki-explain nga.
Opo, via binene nga po eh. Hindi, pero kaya po I'm very thankful din that nagtatagpo kami ni Via. Kasi parang ganun din eh, very family, ay, meow! Ano yun? May nahulog naman. Very family-oriented si Via. And then, ayun, maano sa friends, ganyan. Tapos, ako yung parang palaging ang uwi na tayo, ganyan. And yun, parang...
Nag-agree sila.
Ha?
Nag-agree sila.
Hindi, pero ano po talaga, kasi kahit in real life, very tita rin po ako. Parang, sabi ko nga, from bagets, parang tita na ako diretso. Kasi hindi rin po ako pumaparty. Never po ako nakapasok ng club. So parang, actually yun nga yung very challenging sa akin kasi hindi ko alam paano yung tugstog sa club, ganyan. Ganon. So, pero yun, very thankful po ako kasi si Via yung role na ginampanan ko po.
We're looking forward to the curve of your character.
Thank you.
So later episodes na medyo, I think bobongga kayo. Bobongga yung character mo.
Salamat.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Since this is your first time to work together, I suppose, sa kayong lahat, anong discoveries ninyo sa isa't isa? May nagda-developan ba? Meron ba nagkaroon ng mga special friendships or what have you? Siguro muna si Direk, kasi si Direk ang nakakakita ng lahat.
Ang gusto ko sa cast, tama yung sinabi ni Heaven after the workshop, since sa totoong buhay, introverts yung most of them eh. They've been working in this business since they were child actors. Si Bea nga lang yung kilala na, but most of them, teenagers pa lang, they're trying to make it big na in showbiz. So hindi talaga sila party person. So tama si Heaven, after the workshops talaga, nag-bonding sila, pumarty sila sa Nectar. Para safe. So, siguro ang masasabi ko lang po talaga na development is una yung boys, Marco, Frost, and Andre. Nagka-bonding po talaga sila sa gym. Tinutulungan ni Marco yung dalawa na magpalaki ng katawan. At palagi si Marco palagi tumatambay sa bahay ni na Frost. Tapos sinatawagan nila si Miss Aiko para pasamahin si Andre mag-overnight. Kasi strict pala ang parents ni Andre. So, totoo yung sabi ni Marco kung naging totoong barkada silang tatlo. Marami mo masabi. But, and then, obviously si Heaven tsaka si Marco, nakita ko yung how the relationship deepened. So first kasi parang kantsawan-kantsawan lang, but nakita ko yung care nila sa isa't isa. They know that this is a potential partnership siya na pwedeng lumaki at kailangan nating pagtulungan because kahit na hindi ko alam yung personal life sila, Tita Aster, sorry po, sila na po, pero professionally, they really want to make it big and they know that to make it big, they have to work hard. And para mag-work yung love team nila, kailangan nilang asahan yung isa't isa. So yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanila. Hindi ako nahirapan because sabi ko nga kanina kay Heaven, makakilala sila nung hindi pa sila sikat eh. So alam nila yung kung ano sila nung hindi pa sila Heaven, hindi pa sila Marco. So yun yung pinanghahawakan nila na they will always be true to each other. Alam nila kung saan sila nanggaling.
Yung siguro, I think I need answers from everyone para lahat manumanang sa kanila.
Siguro yung na-discover ko, mahilig po talaga sila mag-TikTok pag nakatenga kami sa set. So, lagi po... Hindi, yun talaga yung naisip ko. Anyways, jokes aside po, thankful ako na I was a part of this cast because we bonded like a family and I feel like na itong friendship na to, it's gonna be like forever. And yun po, sobrang thankful ako, nakita ko kung gaano sila ka-hard work magtrabaho at seryoso sa trabaho nila. And offset naman, and nakakatawa kasi nagbaband rin po kami after nag-EK, yung iba po na walang ginawa ng Nightmares Manila pa kami to bond. And na-appreciate ko yung sila.
Hi, Tita Aster. Good evening po. Kung discover, siguro, I would say that I discovered and I found new set of friends. Kasi I feel very blessed. Dahil alam naman po natin na oo, merong mga makakatrabaho mo, pero hindi lahat matuturing mong kaibigan. And I'm very blessed. I feel very lucky and blessed that I was able to find and I found new friends, and I hope na hindi lang after ng 3, but until ending ng university series or like, basta friends talaga kami. Kasi especially the girls, at saka yung bonding namin, especially nung nag-Boracay, kasi may day off po kaming 4, kasi lahat ng days may work kasi sila Heaven. So, tapos lumabas kami, nag-water sports kami, tapos nag-painting kami, mga ganun. So, sobrang saya. And yun, I feel really blessed that I discovered new friends. Especially ngayon na first project ko to outside of GMA, di ba po? So, yung mga kaibigan ko, nandun lahat naiwan sa GMA. So, at least ngayon, meron ako mga na-discover na bagong mga kaibigan. Thank you po.
Ako, Tita Aster, siguro ang na-discover ko. Kasi akala ko, ang mga nabibigay po kasi sa akin na roles ko, na puro mga drama, serious, heavy. And feeling ko dati na parang pag gumawa ko ng rom-com, baka hindi ko mabigyan ng justice, or gano'n. Pero dito ko na-discover na, kaya ko pala. Kasi itong si Direk, talagang pinupush niya naman din po talaga ako. Sobrang thankful ako. I think lumabas din also yung kid inside me na ang tagal ko din siguro tinago na binuri. Ngayon, parang bata na din naman. So, masaya, na-enjoy ko po.
I feel like I discovered that it really didn't matter if we were good or not from the start. You know, I just discovered that every single one of us had something in common, which was really wanting to do good, really having that drive and inspiration to just give our best and put in the time and the passion, which I think I've encountered a lot of sets where I've encountered a lot of actors that they lacked that drive. They were just there because they were being paid. But I really strongly believe that for all of us, it was going beyond the payment. It was really delivering something above that payment, you know, above that paycheck. And I'm really proud of us, all of us, really. And yeah.
Hello, Nana Aster. The discovery I made was I'm really happy that I was able to learn a lot. Ako naman po,
Parang anak mo na sila.
discover ko po dito na yung mga na-meet ko po dito sa cast, hindi lang po workmates. Kumbaga, na-meet ko sila as friends and family na rin po. Kasi kagaya nga po nung kinakwento ni Frost na nagpo-Burger King pa kami. Ako po dito, taga-Fairview po ako. Si Marco taga-Shop. Pero dinadayo pa po si Marco pati si Frost para lang makapagsama kami. Tapos, meron pa po ako isang discovery dito na bagay po pala talaga si Heaven pati si Marco. Tapos, isa pa po dito, si Amy po, abangan niyo po, nakakainis po talaga siya. Sobrang nakakainis.
Ako naman po, personally kasi, this is one of my first mainstream projects. So hindi pa ako masyadong aware kung ano yung culture of, and if may differences pa. Pero yung na-discover ko po is sobrang grateful ako kasi from the workshop pa lang, it felt like such a safe space.
Let's say, yung sa PBB, siguro ngayon yung mas deeper yung emotions. Yes. So, basta kung hindi ko na ma-accept.
I guess, yeah, I mean, a tiny crush is there, you know? I mean, yeah, come on. I don't know. I'm sure that there's definitely something there for me, but I'll take it slow this time. Okay, yeah. There's a lot of work, so there's time, you know?
Actually, direct consistent si Marco sa mga sagot niya, di ba? So, ikaw, Heaven, bakit parang kinokontrol mo yung whatever feelings na...
Ayun naman po!
Ganyan,
Ayun naman!
ganyan na yung reaction ng story ko noong una pa lang.
Basta po yung... Kami po ni Marco, sobrang happy po kami na kami po yung magka-work, kami po yung magka-partner, and we're just, ako, personally, I'm really enjoying my time with him. So, ito po.
Last na lang, Heaven, ano yung binalikan mo sa PBB para maging, kasi yung mga scene yun, obvious, parang very authentic yung kilig mo eh. So, may mga moment ba sa loob ng PBB talaga na nakatulong para at least kiligin ka ng gusto ngayon?
Siguro dahil best friends kami sa PBB po noon. So, nakatulong yung same humor po namin and also yung nagko-complement yung personalities natin. So, yun po yung... Yun po yun. Hindi, ayoko na sumagot!
Ayan, sige, naiya si Heaven. Ikaw na lang direct. Bumalik ba ang feeling sa tingin mo? Since ikaw naman ang nakakakita sa lente lagi.
Parang hindi po ako dapat yung sumagot.
Pero based on your observation.
Based on nakikita ko po, mas naging close po talaga sila. Compared dun sa first day, tapos last day, alam kong nag-deepen yung friendship. Baka lang they're taking, tama na si Mark, mema. Baka lang po they're taking it slow. Kasi syempre, past heartaches, past gano'n. So, okay na yung slow. Kasi I'm sure marami pa silang pupunta na.
Pero yung sinabi mo kanina direct, parang goal mo rin sana, kiligin yung mga manonood sa kanilang dalawa, di ba? Ikaw personally, syempre,
super.
Anong level ng kilig yung na-feel mo sa kanila?
Ganito. Hindi, sobrang...
Tingin mo saan nagagaling yung kilig na yun?
Po?
Sa tingin mo saan nagagaling yung kilig na yun?
Kasi authentic kasi yung feelings nila sa isa't isa. I mean, yung...
Okay, yan. Authentic yung feelings nila sa isa't isa. So...
Siyempre, sa workshop ko kasi, tinuturo na hindi po uma-acting dapat. No acting yung workshop namin. So, you just be the character. So, sometimes... So, siguro kaya gano'n. Sincere, authenticity, being real, yun yung inaano ko for...
Thank you, Derek.
They have supported us, and believed in us. I just want to thank you guys especially for this. And no matter what you guys, if you like it or not, you guys, we delivered the best we could, okay? And for everyone that came, Viva, everyone that made this come true, why, everyone, thank you.
Paano ba sisimulan to? Una po, nung nakikita ko kayo kanina nung nasa taas ako, sabi ko, shucks, eto na, naalala ko yung unang press con pa lang natin. Tapos ngayon, tapos na, and lalabas na siya, and slowly sinking in na, ito na yung mga pinaghirapan natin guys, yung mga wala kaming tulog. Gusto namin magpasalamat of course sa buong production, sa Viva, for giving us this opportunity na gampanan yung mga roles namin kasi sobrang nakatulong din sa amin yun. Naka-form din kami ng friendship. And of course, to our director, maraming salamat po sa patience, sa mga natutunan namin, ang dami namin natutunan, never namin kayo nakitang nagalit. So maraming salamat po talaga doon. And sobrang light lang po ng pagtatrabaho namin dito sa buong The Rain in España. Sa mga fans ko, maraming salamat po sa support na ninyo. Nakikita po namin yung mga edits ninyo, yung mga tags ninyo. Sobrang thank you at na slowly, na-accept niyo po kami as Ludes or Luna and kami each sa mga cast, as a cast. So, ayun po, maraming salamat and sana po talaga magustuhan niyo yung ginawa natin. Thank you, thank you.
Yes! There you have it! This time, we have
And then after that, guys, Heaven and Marco's gonna stay on stage while the other cast are gonna roam around the venue. So guys, pwede po kayo magtanong ng individual questions for them.